तो हे गाइस, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू। इन दोनों एयरक्राफ्ट में से कौन सा एयरक्राफ्ट कौन से रनवे पर परफेक्टली सुटेबल है फॉर द लैंडिंग? सो गेस योर आंसर एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। दिस फ्लाइंग बर्ड्स catches everyone attraction when they are passing overhead, but do you notice one thing that keep this aircraft in the skies like this and this? Well, these all are the different types of aircraft engine, but the purpose behind this engine is same. So hey guys, कैसे आते हैं? स्वागत है आप सभी का एक नए वीडियो में। और इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एयरक्राफ्ट इंजिन्स और आखिर क्यों और क्या पर्पस है इन इंजिन्स को अलग अलग एयरक्राफ्ट के ऊपर फिट करने का। सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द जेट इंजिन्स, द फर्स्ट इंजिन कम्स इन आवर माइंड विच इज टर्बोजेट इंजिन्स, बिकॉज दिस इंजिन्स आर द मोस्ट पावरफुल engines. With the help of these engines, aircraft can cross hypersonic speed, which means 5 times more than the speed of sound. Now you can imagine how fast aircraft can travel with the help of these engines, and that's why these engines are high in specific fuel consumption. Usually you will find this kind of engines fitted on the fighter jets, and the reason behind it you already know what it is. But these engines come with sort of disadvantage, like high in fuel consumption. It required longer runway for takeoff and the landing because these engines are not effective at low forward airspeed. If you don't know how jet engine works, I have already made separate video on it, you can check it out. So the next engine is turbofan engine. Turbofan engines are most successful engine in commercial aviation because of its incredible low fuel consumption rate with the high amount of thrust, suitable for long range operation at high speed and at high altitude. Now you are wondering why these engines are not fitted on the turbojet, because after all these engines are low in fuel consumption. So here is the answer. So these engines have a large intake area which can reduce the ground clearance. Also high weight due to its massive size, which never suits on the fighter jets. Next engine is Turboprop Engine. These engines are the updated versions of Turbojet and the Turbofan Engine. इसलिए ये इंजन आपको कभी कभी हेवी कार्गो लोडिंग एयरक्राफ्ट के ऊपर या फिर कभी कभी कमर्शियल एयरक्राफ्ट के ऊपर भी फिट किया हुआ मिल जाएगा. These engines come with the very low specific fuel consumption as compared to Turbofan and the Turboprop. Additional propeller fitted on these engines enhance the initial climbing and the takeoff performance, which results aircraft required very short runway for the takeoff and as well as for the landing. Usually you will find these engines are fitted on the heavy load carrying cargo aircraft and some commercial aircraft. And the last engine is Turboshaft engines. इस इंजन के बारे में ज़्यादा बात करने के लिए है नहीं, because Turboprop and the Turboshaft engines both are the high torque producing engines. These engines also provide the high power during the initial. So this is for it guys. Hope ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर आपको नहीं पता कि जेट इंजन्स कौन से प्रिंसिपल या फिर कैसे काम करते तो मैंने उसके ऊपर एक सेपरेट वीडियो बना के रखा है, आप वो वीडियो देख सकते हैं. सो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिए. बाय बाय.